The question is, what is the average velocity of this body from 1 to 3.2 seconds? So I know that on a position versus time graph, the velocity is going to be the slope of a line. Now I've got two times I'm looking for, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to connect these two by a line and find the slope of the line that connects the 2 points between 1 and 3.2 seconds. So let's find those points first. So here's 1 second. I go up to the graph, up to here. So that's my first point. And the second one's 3.2. So that's 3. Now remember, this goes from 3 to 4. That's 1 second, and it's 5 blocks. So that's going to be 1 second divided by 5 blocks. So that equals 0.2 seconds. So every block counts as 0.2. So this right here is 3.2 seconds. So there it is, 3.2 seconds. I just go straight up until I hit that at 3.2 seconds. Now I'm going to connect these two with a straight line. And this is probably the hard part. It'll look something like this. There's my straight line. And of course it extends down here. Now I need to find 2 points on my curve that I'm going to use. I'm going to look for 2 points that seem to go through corners of the squares. I don't think I drew this really well. Let's go with this is one of my corners, and this looks like it's off about the same amount. So I'm going to go this with my other one. So I'm using these 2 points here to find the slope. So this will be the rise right there, and that'll be the run of the two to find the average velocity. So vertically, I know that goes from 20 to 0, and that's 5 blocks. So that's 20 meters divided by 5 blocks. So that means that each block is equal to 20 divided by 5, or 4 meters. So that's going to be 8 meters up. Horizontally, I found that earlier, each block counts as 0.2. So that's 0.2, 0.4, 0.6, 0.8, 0.8. All right. So in this case, the average, can't write that very well, velocity is equal to the slope of this line that's connecting the 2 points, and that's going to be the rise over the run, rise over run, and that's going to be the rise of 8 meters divided by 0.8 seconds. Well, 8 divided by 0.8 is 10 meters per second. So that is the average velocity. So again, I find my 2 points of the curve, do a line between them, and find the slope of the line that connects my 2 points. And that's going to be the average velocity.